Hey everybody, my name is Brian Markowski, and today I'm going to be talking about silent communication through a computer interface. MIT researchers have developed a computer interface that can transcribe our internal voice. This interface was named Alter Ego by the researchers at MIT, and it contains technology that is unique from current human-computer methods of communication. One of the key differences that makes Alter Ego unique is that the user does not have to mouth their words. The interface uses electrodes that pick up neuromuscular signals in the jaw and face region that are triggered by internal vibrations when we silently speak something. These neuromuscular signals are transmitted into a machine learning system coded by the research team. The device also consists of a pair of bone conduction headphones that allow for the user to hear the response from the machine or the human. Alter Ego can connect to any computer device in the area via Bluetooth, and it can also connect to another human if they are also wearing the interface. The vocabulary set is still relatively small in this communication. For example, human-to-human communication only currently has 5 internal phrases that are able to be transmitted. The applications for this type of interface could be very beneficial for the future. For example, Alter Ego could potentially be used for silently communicating with someone in loud working conditions. It could be used in special ops missions when it is key to be silent. And it could also be used for people with disabilities that have difficulty verbally communicating something. This was one of the better press articles I have read so far in terms of capturing the key points of the research article. The press article was published on neurosciencenews.com, and it did a great job of explaining the technology behind Alter Ego's interface in plain, easily understandable words. The press article even included a YouTube video that showed Alter Ego in action. The press article used a lot of quotes from the primary article, which helped capture the researchers' intended message. Overall, I found this research very interesting, and I believe that this may lead to some significant changes in the communication world. And I'm going to play the video that is on the press article. Thank you for listening.